another video. 7,100 of you guys believed in the build. 104,000 followers on Instagram. I'm blown away. I'm stoked to have all you guys join us for the build. In today's video, you're gonna see a lot of stuff. You're gonna see us cut out something on the plasma table, something that I programmed, and you're gonna see us get to work on one repair that I've been kind of dreading this whole entire build. I'm learning fabrication right along with you guys. You guys are seeing me fail, succeed, right in front of the camera. You're witnessing it firsthand. I haven't been a fabricator all my life. I'm still learning. And the repair that I'm gonna start making in today's video, like I said, it had me a little worried about how I was gonna go about approaching it, how to make it look decent. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy it. Begley. He was the winner of our giveaway, and in that video, if you hadn't already watched it, go back and check it out. We asked you guys to guess how much money we had total in the project. Aaron Begley, thanks for the support, thanks for the comments, thanks for having the closest guess. I think he was pretty close, pretty dang close to the actual amount. But check it out. This right here and your $25 Visa card will be shipped in the mail, shipped out this coming weekend. So it should be the same weekend this video is getting released. Apologize for the delay. You guys know my wife's grandmother passed away. It's kind of cool. It's made from your boy Dusty Mac. Hopefully you enjoy it. Mechanical, industrial type looking. Hope you dig it. Again, Aaron Begley was the winner. We'll get this shipped out to him with that Visa gift card. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. I'm gonna spin the car over so we can get a better viewpoint of it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we gotta tackle fixing, what we're gonna tackle fixing in today's video. Back here, it might look like nothing's wrong. Well, in continuing the theme with this Datsun, this thing was left to die. It's rusted in several unusual spots. I've had several people comment and say, man, that thing's got weird rust in weird places. You are correct. And today's video is going to be even more of that. So if you look at the roof, it's weird. It's rusted there. I mean, you guys can see it. But wait, there's more. So if you look closely, there's a little pinhole there. See, there's little pitted spots here. There's a hole there, a hole there, a little hole there. I'm not sure what else we might uncover once I start sanding this. Honestly, I'm not quite sure yet on how I want to go about this. I don't know if I want to make a piece from here all the way to here and cut out all that and replace all that. All right, so I guess first things first, before I spend a whole lot of time on the front, and I'm going to go ahead and sand off what you see is that big blue area, just so I can see how many pinholes we're going to have. That'll tell us a lot. If there's like 300 pinholes, yeah, we might need a new plan. So let's start there first. No work's getting done right this second because we're going to pump some iron. Hopefully you guys understand. The Datsun, we're gonna get it done, but sometimes you gotta go show your son that Pops ain't as good as he used to be. All right, so my son's finna put 145 up in the air. Better not fail for the YouTube.
I just had wrestling practice, so if I don't do it,
He came home from wrestling practice all fired up, so I told him to wait till the day he's fresh. He insisted. Let's go, son. So he's improved because his max before this was 135, I think. So that's 145, and he's not even fresh. This is right after wrestling practice. He did it good the first time, you know, had to put a little grit into it, but he says he's gonna do it twice, so let's see. Let's go!
I ain't done.
No, he's going again. Come on, up!
Woo!
Let's go, bruh!
Let's go, son.
Boy getting strong. He get it from his daddy. You know, like that song, she get it from her mama. Anyways, he done got me hyped up. I'm about to put 175 on here and see how many times I can do it.
Get it. What is that? You want one more? Okay.
Don't touch it.
Let's go, son.
My son's trying 155. You better go with it when you lift this, because this. Up. You got it. Push. Yeah. So after some much needed time in the thinking chair, so what I did is measured the total top of this window frame, got the halfway mark, and now I'm gonna need a piece, basically, let's say almost 20 inches that way, almost 20 inches that way. I think it'll be more manageable if I make this section right here in one piece, make this section in one piece, and then when I weld it in, it'll become one piece.
at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head.
Not only do you have a curve this way, okay, but hopefully you can see in the video that this window has a slight curve this way as well. It's not just this wide lens. You can see before when I set one of the pieces up here and it teeter-tottered or whatever. That's because it has a slight curve this way as well as the curve this way.
We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it. Somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning. Left behind.
So, check this out. Check it out. So we've made the front piece right here, the second piece right there. Obviously we'll weld those, that will become one. And then you've seen me just make the pieces that are gonna go back here on this back side. If you look, the fit up is pretty nice, just got a little magnet holding it. And like a spot right here, it just needs to be held down. And I can tap a little bit more shape into it, but the basic shape is done. Obviously when that's trimmed to where these two meet, that will lay down flat. You can see that's flat right there on the roof. Same all the way up. So before I finish welding all this in, I'll do some, fine trimming, sanding, but you guys will see all that in the next episode. So hope you guys are stoked. I hope you're excited. This video, I feel like I got a lot of progress done for a repair that I was a little, hesitant about how I was gonna go about repairing it. But we got a good plan going. We're in a good direction. That was the fun part. Now, the not so fun part is gonna be taking all them pieces off. I got them all labeled. Then I have to go through and cut out the front that's there and make sure I do that in a way that I've already got the shape that I need. But anyways, you guys will see that in the next video. I'll have to go through, and when we final weld this, we'll drill some holes here. But yeah, Hopefully also in this video, you guys seen why I like having the rotisserie built kind of the way it is. Right now, I don't have C-clamps on it. I have put some in place, but you know, I've been sanding and what have you, and it's not gonna roll. It takes a little bit of effort to actually make the thing spin, even though it looks like it rolls easy. So if you enjoyed this episode, do me a big favor, smash that like button. It greatly helps out the channel. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for all the comments, all the shares on Instagram. I'm blown away. We hit 104,000 followers on Instagram. 7,100 is the last time I looked. Subscribers on YouTube. Huge shout out to you guys. Again, thank you guys for your patience. You guys know we had some family issues. We had a loved one. My wife's grandma passed away. So getting back in the groove of the filming. Hopefully the edit turns out sweet. Anyways, thank you guys for hanging out with me in the garage. That's all I got. More progress on the 240Z. I hope you guys are stoked. Little by little, we're knocking the rust out of this thing. I'm gonna be stoked to have this thing done and see how much of a difference this front windshield area is gonna have. It's gonna look mint. You guys excited? I am. Anyways, Dusty Mac signing out. That's all I got. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace!